Hi everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ryan Casper. I'm an online business clarity coach. So I help people understand what type of online business would be best for them based on their personality and communication style, a whole bunch of factors. Before I got into my current role, I started my online world with e-commerce. I have a small Amazon business. I tried some MLMs, and then I got into affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is one of the most versatile types of businesses, online businesses, that a person can start. They're great for a ton of different types of personalities. A whole bunch of interests can be captured in it, and people can do very well. Before I was associated with affiliate marketing or my business clarity coaching, I was with our regional health system. Now, I was with them for 11 years, doing cognitive testing, personality testing, emotional functioning testing, all kinds of testing. With our health authority here in Canada, they don't allow people to make a whole lot. It's not privatized, it's public. And the public health system doesn't pay a whole lot to its workers. So my wife and I, we knew that we wanted more than what just that one income would bring in. So I've been looking at different business opportunities for a long time. We have 5 kids now. It's a lot of mouths to feed. And as our kids were young, we really needed to find other ways to supplement the income, hence trying out all these different things. When we came to affiliate marketing, there was just something different about it. It was awesome. I came across it and it was just awesome. You didn't have to deal with the fulfillment of orders and handling the inventory and products, physical products, like with my Amazon FBA business. Didn't have to worry about returns or inventory getting lost or stolen. Customer service is handled by the companies that you're partnered with, so I didn't have to hear about any customer service issues. And with the high ticket affiliate marketing, the commissions just blew me away. So to be able to make such high commissions by connecting people to a solution that they were looking for, it was just kind of a no-brainer for me. Now, I've tried multiple different affiliate marketing courses, and Legendary Marketer is the best one I've found. They deliver on their promises. I have some that I started, they had made big promises, and the course wasn't even finished yet. Purchased the course, a few months later, the course isn't even done, and it's crazy. David Sharp has built an empire around digital marketing. He knows what he's doing. He's a great trainer, and he keeps up to date with the trends and what's going on in the industry. So he knows what's going on, and he works with people who are innovative and capturing the current trends, and he keeps up to date on them. I started with a 15-day challenge. It was $7 to try this 15-day challenge to get your feet wet with affiliate marketing. And it's probably the best $7 I've ever spent. It was amazing. David's got a video right beside me here. If you just click on his video right after this one, he'll go through a little bit about what it is in his journey. Click the link below. A lot of us have goals of reaching financial freedom, but don't know how to get there. Try all these different things and they don't work. Check this out. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and I wish you all the best.